fucked up, I should've known I took it. I'm gonna get it, really hard. She push up against me, ooh, she tipsy. I had enough for 24. Put you from a roster, pretty little body dancing like go. And you are, that means to get you alone. Fucking good time, never hurt nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not for credit. You love me good, I'm so sorry. Gotta give it to you, let me know.
Hey y'all, I'm at my mother's house. She just finished flat ironing my hair and she trimmed it up for me. Looking cute. I just took out my braids this week. Oh, I like it. Thank you. And I put some color on my hair. I forgot the name of the color, but I inserted the box. And she over here cooking.
You ain't gonna show me
throw down. No, I ain't gonna show you.
The naughty.
She in here throwing down. Get ready to make a salad. And some chicken. Ooh.
This is somebody to eat.
Well, she cute. Look at her hair.
Oh, this chicken breast, baby.
You want to finish watching this, babe, or you ready? My face has been breaking out a whole lot lately. I've been eating a lot of things that are not that good for me, so I think it's from my diet. I need to get back on track. I've been using this mask a lot. The Ordinary's infamous red mask is AHA 30 plus BH2 peeling mask. So I've been using this a lot, and it can be kind of harsh on your skin. So I need to chill out, and I was going to start using my other mask, Ordinary mask, but it's pretty much empty. So I ordered a new one from Sephora. So this is the Ordinary Azelaic Acid 2% mask, formulated for blemish prone skin. I really like this mask. I even like to use it as a spot treatment. I got too many bumps to be putting spot treatments on now, but I would put a little bit on, like if I just had this one bump when I go to sleep, I would just put it on there and just leave it on. But now my whole freaking face is bumpy once you put it everywhere. Usually when I put masks on my face, I will put it everywhere. But lately I've been just putting it on the affected areas. Like I feel like my pores are enlarged, so I'm going to put it on my cheeks where my enlarged pores are. And all my bumps. So I noticed when I used the red mask one time, I put it all over my face. And I didn't have any issues on my forehead. And I noticed my forehead had like dry patches and was irritated. So I think it probably burnt that area. It didn't need any treatment there. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. So now I'm just trying to focus my mask on the areas that I know are irritating me. Like I said, I've used this before, so my skin is familiar with this mask. And it does a good job. Love both of these masks from The Ordinary. This one is great. It's not as harsh as this. So I've been using this all week, and I feel like my bumps are still popping out everywhere. This mask I would recommend for myself, my skin, not to use it more than twice a week because it is really harsh. This one is not as bad, hence I told you that I use it on certain breakouts like a spot treatment and leave it on overnight. Skin is fine. So these two are my favorite masks to use when I'm having like really bad skin day. And my birthday month, so I got a Laura Mercier birthday gift. I have the jumbo size of the translucent powder, but I said why not have a cute little smaller one so I could use or carry when I go on vacation or travel. So it comes with that, and I think this is their highlighter shadow stick. Then you get to choose 2 samples. I chose Perfume, but they gave me the wrong samples. They gave me some skincare. I didn't want skincare since my skin is going through whatever it's going through, so I probably don't even use this. Probably give it to somebody. Oh, this is a hair mask. Living Proof Restore Repair Hair Mask. I never get any samples of hair products because I have a lot of hair, and this little pack is not going to do anything. I probably could put it on like one little teeny section, but okay. And this is Believe in Truth, the True Cream. So that's all that I got. I really just wanted to get the mask and a birthday gift. Leave this on for 10 minutes. I'm gonna set my phone timer and rinse it off. Oh my gosh, you can still see them busting through the mask. My skin has been going through it. Tomorrow, my man and I, we're going out to eat. I can't wait. We're going back to Stanford Kitchen. I went there with my sister and my niece a couple of vlogs ago. So he and I are going. I'm going to eat whatever I want. And then after that, I'm going to go back to just being careful, no dairy and all of that. Because, girl, this is not cute. I still been drinking my chlorophyll, but I guess it don't make a difference if you're not eating right. You think you're going to drink your chlorophyll and that's going to help you out. But you still got to do the work as far as eating right and everything. So I'm going to end it here. And I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, hey, it's Friday. We are on our way to dinner. I'm putting the last finished touches to my outfit and my makeup. So I just put my hair in this little bun and I had my hair down, my little front pieces, and of course it's hot so it already frizzed up. Let me try to prop y'all up. I've been waiting for this day all week because I knew we were going out to dinner and I love to eat, okay? Not even gonna lie, I love to eat, and it's finally catching up to me after all these years, but whatever. Alright, makeup. What am I gonna put on my lip, y'all? There's something new. I don't feel like. Ooh, you know what? I know what I'm gonna put on my lip. I have like this burnt orange color from Juvia's Place. It's Soil. I'm gonna do a lip liner. I think I'm past the time. Okay, so I want to show you my outfit. I'm going to do a try on haul. I brought a lot of summer clothes over the summer, but I'm going to show you what I have real quick. I don't know if it's going to be, the haul is going to be before this or after this, but I have this satin, my back is out, I don't know if you can see my back, but the satin bodysuit from Shein. I have these pants, they're like some, what do you want to call them, some trouser pants, and I have a blazer, both Rachel Rizzo, got it from Marshalls. Show y'all. So I brought this outfit to wear on my birthday specifically, but we were doing sip and paint and all of that cookout, and I was like, no, I'm not messing up my all white because I am clumsy. So hopefully when I come back home, I still would look half decent. So let's go, y'all. I'm sweating. Still celebrating.
Yeah, she know that I come around. Yeah, she know that I'll make it right back. I feel like it's fun and I just got a time. I did it again and I just got a pen. Yeah, shorty looking at eyes like she for mom. 10 bands for the fake now. They tryna rob that shorty. She Spanish, she calling me Bobby. Walked in the city to get bitch. Probably. And you just fucked your hoe. Probably told him Montana, take it, you can't stop me. Bitch, I'm designer, call me type of money. I just seen her face lay low. I got the bullets to halo. She wanna come for, she won't say no. If you want a feature, come and pay, no. I want your money to payroll. Just say you real if you fake, though. She said that I'm hella the flame. Wanna fuck with me if you ain't staying, no. Cause niggas stay ain't real, yeah. Hoes ain't real. I got so much fake love, nigga, I can't.
We in the liquor store trying to find some cocktail tea that I saw online, and this liquor store got all of them, so we are excited. So we came in for the sweet tea Sutter Homes, but they have lemonade, they have fruit infusion, another fruit infusion, sangria.
I kind of want to try the lemonade. No. I'm gonna stick with the peach. Black tea with peach.
You want to do black tea? Because we're going to drink both tonight probably, so one and one. So we're going to get the peach tea and the sweet tea. Ooh. Yeah. Go. Alright, that's good.
You know that I'll make it right back. I feel like it's fun and I just got a time. I did it again, man, I just got a pen. Yeah. Shorty looking at eyes like she up for mom. Take mates for the fit now, they tryna rob that shorty. She spent, she calling me Bobby. Walk in the scene to get bitch, probably. And I just fucked your hoe, probably. Told my Taylor Tucker, you can't stop me. Bitch, I'm designer, call me top of mine. I just seen a fast lay low. I got a bullet to halo.
We got our cups poured. Shit. Girl, that's throwing out roses. Even Lena like, what the f? Oh